Have you ever thought about creating an online course, but then realized you'd have to research everything, write scripts, plan content, and somehow market it too? Yeah, that's usually where people quit. But today I'm going to show you how a solopreneur can use NotebookLM to do most of the heavy lifting. In this video, we're going to build a course idea from scratch, create lessons, and even generate marketing content for it. And we'll do it step by step. NotebookLM works a little differently from most AI tools. Instead of answering questions from the entire internet, it learns from the sources you give it. So the output would be grounded, and NotebookLM is less likely to hallucinate. So I'm heading to NotebookLM, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Then I'm gonna click on Create New Notebook. So what I did here is I searched for information about parenting children with ADHD. This is the course that I'm gonna build. I'm gonna add things like articles, YouTube videos, webinars, and educational resources. Now, once those sources are uploaded, NotebookLM turns them into a knowledge base. Think of it like giving your AI assistant a stack of books and saying, study these and help me build something useful. So this is very nice and useful because instead of staring at a blank page, now we can use all these sources to build a skeleton of the business. The AI is reading my vetted sources. The outline it generates isn't generic AI slop. It's accurate, cited, and structured. It's like having a genius professor who actually remembers where they put their notes. Now comes the fun part. I asked NotebookLM a simple prompt. Design an outline for a course on parenting a child with ADHD. And look at this. Within seconds, it generated a full course structure. Look at these modules. Module 1, Foundation of ADHD, Defining ADHD, the 3 subtypes. Module 2, The Diagnostic Journey. Module 5, Navigating the School System. So this is very nice. Now, obviously, you should review and adjust the outline. But instead of staring at a blank page, you already have a solid starting point. And trust me, staring at blank pages is a solopreneur's worst enemy. Now, let's start writing the lesson scripts. Once the outline is ready and I'm satisfied with it, I started generating lesson script. For example, I asked, let us start with module 1, video 1, defining ADHD. Write a 3-minute script. So I want the intro to just be a 3-minute script. Here you can see that NotebookLM generated a short lesson explaining ADHD in simple terms. Then I moved on to the next video 2 of module 1, 3 subtypes. And just like that, we started building the course lesson by lesson. Now, here's an important tip. Don't just copy the script exactly as the AI writes it. Use it as a starting point and then adjust it to match your voice and teaching style. So AI is great for structure, but the personality should still come from you. After having all these scripts that I can use and record, I'm gonna create an Instagram account to market my course. Once the course structure was ready, it was time to think about marketing, because even the best course won't sell if nobody knows it exists. So I asked NotebookLM suggest names for my Instagram account, and it gave me several ideas related to parenting and ADHD. This is a simple step, but it saves you time when you're brainstorming branding ideas. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this name. Next, I asked NotebookLM to generate carousel ideas. My prompt was, based on the sources provided, generate 10 Instagram carousel ideas to market my course. And here's the important part. Each carousel provides some helpful information, but not the entire solution. The last slide includes a call to action, directing people to the course. This is actually a very common content strategy. give people helpful tips, and then invite them to learn the full system in your course. Look at this. I have 10 ideas. Now let's go ahead to Canva. And instead of designing everything from scratch, I simply used a template. So go ahead, search for carousel templates, and pick a template that you like and you feel that it's close to your branding. Of course, you can change the colors and the font of the templates. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill the slides using the content generated from NotebookLM. So within a few minutes, we already had social media content ready to go. This is one of the biggest advantages of AI tools. They remove the blank page problem and they remove this daunting, never-ending search for content ideas. So all of this is very helpful if you're a content creator and if you want to market your course on social media platforms. Now, you still need to review and adjust the content, of course, but the hard part, which is getting started, is done for you. Now, next, I asked NotebookLM to generate short video ideas. My prompt was generate 10 short video or reel ideas to market my course. Each video should, of course, start with a strong hook, a helpful insight about ADHD, and a call to action for the course. Now, short videos are incredibly powerful for marketing. One good reel can reach thousands of parents who are looking for help. And again, NotebookLM helped us brainstorm these ideas instantly. All you have to do is set your studio and press record. You can also just record from your camera phone, and all you need to do is simple editing on CapCut, and there you have it, videos for your Instagram account. Now, another thing we can generate in NotebookLM, and this is pretty cool, is infographics. These are great for social media because they turn complex information into simple visuals. You can also use infographics as PDFs in your course, or you can also use them as visual in your course videos. For example, look at these helpful infographics. Navigating ADHD, a guide to positive parenting. This is very helpful for parents. Lead with the positive. ADHD as a neurodevelopmental disorder. Meet them where they are. These are very helpful tips. Here's another infographic. A parent's guide to thriving with ADHD, from understanding to action. Look at this, decoding the ADHD brain and proactive support strategy. All of this, these are very nice visuals for your course and to include them as supporting documents for the course. So all you have to do is press this infographic button, and NotebookLM will generate these infographics for you. You can also customize them the way you want. Finally, I also asked NotebookLM to generate ideas for explainer videos. These are longer videos that teach a specific concept that you choose, or it can make an explainer video for you. So I'm gonna go ahead. And press this button under the studio panel. And here's the explainer video. This is the video it generated. Let's listen to that.
Child with ADHD, you already know it can be, well, a lot. It can be challenging, a little confusing, but also pretty amazing. Today, we're going to lay out a clear roadmap to help you empower not just your child, but yourself too. Has this question ever popped into your head? Maybe late at night when you're just totally exhausted and feeling overwhelmed. It's that moment of self-blame, of doubt, and it can be just so painful. So let me just say this loud and clear. No, absolutely not. You are not a bad parent. What we're talking about with ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder. It's literally about how their brain is wired. It's not a choice and it's not a character flaw. So let's just agree to set that guilt aside, okay?
So of course you can choose the style, you can choose the topic, but look at this quality. It's pretty good. It's amazing. You can also use this video and the visuals of this video in your course or for YouTube or social media. And that's how you go from research to a course to marketing content using NotebookLM with no hallucination at all. So instead of spending weeks researching, organizing ideas, and staring at a blank page, you can use AI to help structure the entire process. Now, of course, AI doesn't replace your knowledge or your experience, but it can save you a huge amount of time and help you move from idea to product much faster. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more ways to use AI to build a one-person business, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be sharing more practical tutorials like this one where we test AI tools and build real projects step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.